Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to change the door hinge on your dryer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to change the dryer hinge, we find it easier with this style of dryer to remove the door completely from the dryer frame. So simply open it up, remove the two mounting screws. We'll set that complete door assembly on a suitable work surface, and then we can change out the hinge. So to open it up fully, we'll remove these two Phillips head screws. Be sure to support that door as you remove the second screw. Then we're going to set that on a suitable surface where we can remove the inner panel and therefore the hinge. So with the door laying face down, we'll just remove these retaining screws that secure the inner panel to the outer panel. Take note that the two screws for the strike are slightly different than the rest, so keep those separate. And next, you'll need a putty knife to go between the outer door panel and inner door panel to separate it. Now, next, we'll remove the retaining strap for that hinge. Lift that off. And then lift the hinge up. Pull it out of the opening. Now, using our putty knife, we'll remove these nylon bushings. And then we'll install those on the new hinge. You can then discard the old hinge, fit the new one into place, ensuring that those bushings sit down into the appropriate channels. You can then place the cap back in position. Install the 4 retaining screws for that cap. We'll then flip over that inner door, position it onto the outer door, ensure it sits flush all the way around. And then reinstall the retaining screws. Make sure they're tight, but use caution as you are putting these screws into a plastic liner, and we don't want to strip them. Position the strike. And now we're ready to put the door back on the dryer. Now, when installing the door, we do have 2 locating pins that will help us align it. They will fit into those 2 holes. And while supporting that door, we'll install the retaining screws. Make sure they go in straight. Tighten them securely. Check the operation of the door on the latch. And your repair is complete.